die es gibt. Dann,
Ja, ist cool.
ja, hier Yacht.
Very nice voice.
Singing voice.
Yeah, very nice.
Ja, wir sind Frauen, Hausfrauen, ja, Geschäftsfrauen auch.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's.
You're a rhyme
let's
poet.
continue.
Jenny shit, yeah. Rolling shit.
Rolling shit.
Roll.
She's got more.
And she has the beautiful shoes from all of us.
And
Ever.
Yes.
And she
can
has.
do acrobatic stuff,
Yeah.
like a flip flag.
Angeber.
We love her, and she played in the Schwarzkopf BRD, and she was very good.
She played Angela Davis.
Yes,
Oh,
she played Angela Davis.
Yeah,
He
also.
wants
We
to
are
be
not
the
allowed to
dictator
talk.
of the world. He
And
wants to be the dictator of the whole world.
yeah.
Yeah.
But he's a very good actor, definitely. Very good dancer. And he's my brother. He's a bad boy.
I'm an artist. I'm 29, getting very old. I'm very interested in your whole story. Physicality and all of those things. Do you know the Legend of Korra? Yeah, the truth. Do you have the 3rd season? Yeah. Cool, can I have it? Because the people with the magical powers are the ones that actually are discriminated against, right?